Welcome to my brand new tutorial, guys. In today's video I'm going to share a good update for you. Today's update, I'm going to tell you how to link your, so you see here as it is now, click on toon keeper. If you don't have toon keeper, go and download it. Yeah, if you don't have this toon keeper, just go and download it, click on it, and it will bring you to the toon keeper directly. This is how it is. Just wait a little bit. Okay, as you can see, this is how it is. You see, this one is the console keeper, this one is the console. So you click on connect wallet. Have you seen it? It's shut down, so the wallet has been muted. So it will take you back to your console app by itself. This is how it is. Once you go, you now see that your wallet has already been connected. When you come back to this place that is showing something like C, that's where you find your wallet. Okay, as you can see, now I've connected my wallet. You see the withdrawal button is free now, so I cannot press my withdrawal, but my tutorial for today is not about withdrawal, it's about connecting your wallet. So guys, let me tell you, if you didn't connect your wallet, you see this withdrawal button, it will not show this green, it will show white, so you cannot press it. But once you connect your wallet, this is how your withdrawal will look like. So guys, if you just come across the video for the first time, subscribe, share the video, press the notification bell, so that anytime I drop a new video, YouTube will notify you. Registration link in the video description and in the comment section. I leave you guys in peace. Thank you.